Area hello I dey be na hope say everywhere good, hope say everywhere palash now a guy boss. Yesterday get one matter wey burst out. Cristiano Ronaldo wey be Manchester United forward and one of the greatest footballers to play this ogbonge game football. He do one interview with one of the senior men for inside the talk industry lifestyle for UK wey named na Peirs and information don dey come out for inside this interview, and Cristiano Ronaldo talk full ground for inside this interview when he do with Peirs. Make I drop some of the things wey Cristiano Ronaldo talk for inside this interview, make all of us talk how we see am. Cristiano Ronaldo talk for inside his interview say him believe say Manchester United wey be the football club wey dey play for don betray am, and Cristiano Ronaldo still talk say some people for the club dey try to push am comot for inside the club. He say the manager Eric Ten Hag and some of the big oga dem wey dey for the top executive position dey wan pursue am comot for the club. Cristiano Ronaldo also talk say he no dey respect Eric Ten Hag go say because Eric Ten Hag no show am respect, say no pass like that, say na who give am respect, na he go give respect normally. So that one wey Cristiano Ronaldo talk for inside this matter wey dey burst out. So also for inside the interview, Cristiano Ronaldo still talk say Manchester United as a football club, they never change since Sir Alex Ferguson come out for the club. He talk say when he decide to go back to Manchester United, he dey lis ten to his heart, and he talk say na Alex Ferguson and I tell am say no go good if he can't go Manchester City. Say but he can't say say I don't hear that one wey you talk, make I return back to Manchester United. Say but things never change for the club since he come back to the club. Say many things, he talk about gym, he talk about even the food safe and some kind of other things wey Cristiano Ronaldo talk. So but na this matter now I say make I come drop for na table for people wey don hear am before and people wey never hear am before. Now how una see this matter wey dey for ground when Cristiano Ronaldo talk about Manchester United? Make we talk our own, and as we dey talk our own, make we respect people wey dey for inside the comment section. Now this matter una guy pause come put for na table today. Una bye bye.